We're incredibly proud to be the major sponsor of today's Opening Opportunities event. It means so much to all of us at achieve-ERP to play a role in empowering young people to thrive and reach their potential. Being a South Australian-owned business, we see firsthand how important it is to give young people real opportunities. We feel so privileged to be involved in the Foundation's work, breaking down barriers for young people throughout the state. There's something really special about watching someone discover what they're truly capable of, whether that's a young person finding their path or helping a business realise new possibilities. For us, supporting the Sliding Doors Foundation isn't just the right thing to do, it's who we are. We genuinely care about creating opportunities and helping people succeed. Today's event is about our community coming together to change lives. We're honoured to support the Sliding Doors Foundation's truly inspirational work.